Man, I've been to San Diego so many times and I've lived there for a couple of years and I've never even heard of this place. It's an abandoned railroad track with railroad cars still here graffitied up. So badass. This is in Jacumba Springs, about an hour away from San Diego, kind of by the Salton Sea. This is so cool, man. Can't believe this isn't like a bigger tourist destination. No one is out here. Wow, man. How cool is this? Let's take a look inside. This is creepy, man. Wow. This is on private property though, so I'm supposed to check in when I got here. There's a sign that says check in, but didn't see where to go, so I just left and just followed the railroad tracks. But it was only about probably 15-minute hike. There's a sign that says railroad track. You follow it and you follow the railroad track for about 15 minutes and you get here. So it's actually pretty easy to get to. There's all this stuff. Still the old school train. What is this? Looks like some kind of rubber stuff from the train. They pulled off of it. Can't believe no one's in here. Figure there'd be someone. Not gonna lie, it's a little sketchy in here. Beautiful area out here. I don't know, it's just kind of scary being by yourself out here. I don't know why. Wow, look at that. That's some beautiful art job. It's like a robot. I love graffiti, man. I wish I can draw. Can't draw worth shit. All the old paint bottles, paint cans, beer cans. Railroad ties they pulled up. But look at the area that's surrounded by. It's like these big rock formations. It kind of reminds me of Joshua Tree, except the boulders aren't as big. It's badass, man. What is that? Oh, it's a big old tire. Where's that come from? I don't see any heavy duty equipment anywhere. I wonder why they leave these trains here. Is it too expensive to tear them down and transport them somewhere? I guess so. I'm glad they don't. I love when the city decides to just let this be so it can become a tourist destination. Thought I heard something. I'm gonna go take some pics. I don't know what's up, but this cart is made from wood. Trains aren't made from wood, are they? This is kind of odd. As it's like the people here, they use the abandoned, discarded railroad ties to build that up or something. It's interesting. But then it just stops. The railroad just stops into a big pile of rocks. This is so weird. Like, why would they build a railroad track that goes right into rocks? I don't understand this whole thing. This is bizarre. Let's go over here. I saw something else. Part of the, well, the railroad track keeps going, so we're gonna go see what else is down there. Because on Google Photos, there's like this huge valley that has like 1,000 feet canyons with a railroad track going through it. And it looks like the pictures are really cool looking. We're gonna go see if it's like that, except like 400 feet high across the canyon. So let's go see if it's down there or not. This is pretty sketchy. Bunch of missing railroad ties here and there. Really be careful. This is kind of high up, and it's really windy right here. Look at that. Shit, man. Fuck, it's kind of scary, man. That's a big old gap. Most of these are pretty good though. It's just a few that are just not there, completely missing. Most are pretty firm. I'm having to hold my phone in my hand, so there we go. What is this? Beam with some metal on it. Huh. Weird stuff around here. I'm gonna head back though because it didn't look like this goes to anything else. It's just an old railroad track that just keeps going probably for miles. So I didn't film the way here because I didn't think I was gonna film. I didn't even know I was gonna find those railroad tracks, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna film the way back to see how. I'm just gonna film the way out of here to show you guys how to get here. So let's go. All right, we gotta cross the sketchy bridge again. You know what? I'm gonna put my phone away this time. I already recorded getting over it once. No need to film it again. Basically just follow this railroad track for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's just a straight line the whole way. And oh yeah, as far we are away from Salton Sea, or I mean Slab City, we're gonna explore that because it is kind of late right now, excuse me. It's around 1:48, I think. So I think we might be an hour away or an hour and 20 something minutes away. There should be enough time to at least explore a couple things, because I've always wanted to go for years. It's such a popular destination, and it's only like a couple hours from San Diego. And super cool, man. Super cool looking. So much art there. So hopefully we'll check that out. That'd be pretty cool. Here's another kind of tall railroad crossing. Actually, it's not that tall. It's maybe 8 feet. So it's definitely not as scary as the other one, that's for sure. And I think this is it. Let me just go down this and see if it's the right path. If not, we're not too far away from it. I think this is it. Should be a dirt parking lot up here. Yep, that's it. I see my car. So, hey, I'll show you guys what to do when you get here. Okay, right when you pull into this gravel parking lot, just find a parking spot, and there'll be a sign right here that says trains. literally just go down this path until it ends, until it gets to the railroad tracks, and go right and follow the railroad tracks for 15 minutes, and you'll see the trains on the right side. And that's it, super easy. Oh yeah, by the way, don't even stop at this thing. I thought it was gonna be a security guard or something in there, but it's not, so you don't really have to stop. Don't have to pay, it's free to get in, I think, but there is a sign that says checking out the office. And the office, I think, is a RV. I never checked in, but you guys, you might want to. I don't know. Sometimes I don't follow the rules correctly. But either way, I don't think they really care. But all right, we're gonna go. Hopefully, Salton Sea is not too far away. We'll do some exploring around there, and then it should be cool. And then probably tomorrow, if it's too late tonight, we'll go tomorrow for sure and explore Slab City.
This dirt road's pretty short. It's only a couple minutes long, so you don't need a 4x4 or anything like that. I want to drift this, but it's not railroad drive, dang it. I used to do that all the time, it's so fun. Guys, check out this gas station. It's got a helicopter on the roof. That is so awesome. So yeah, you're kind of in the middle of nowhere, but at least there's a gas station and liquor store here. So at least you have, you know, some kind of food to eat. Dairy cow farms out here. Driven by about miles worth already. It just keeps going. Now it's got some solar panels. Pretty interesting landscape California's got, man. You go 40 minutes and it's completely different looking. It goes from mountains to just like farmland. It's pretty crazy. Wow, it's a lot more over here too. Stinks, man. Woo! Cool, there's the sign. We made it. I typed in Slab City in Google Maps. Didn't know if it would work or not. It's pretty cool. It actually does take you straight here. Awesome. See with the camera, but to the left of me is a bunch of RVs, a bunch of tarps thrown over, just kind of, everything's kind of spaced out. And there's an art gallery right here. Okay, gift shop, huh? Okay, that's cool. bizarre seeing this when I've seen it so many times on YouTube. It's weird. It's like something out of a Hollywood movie or something. UPS truck actually delivers packages. Huh. Let's go check it out real quick.
Alright, well, it's closed since it's rained. You can't go inside. I guess you said it gets all soft. Well, I guess we'll just keep going and see what else Slab City's got.
It's like a metal dome building. It's cool looking. Look at that. That is freaking awesome looking. Built up from a bunch of used scrap metal. Some talented people here, I'll tell you that much. Some gift shop over there. This place is so colorful. There's so much paint on everything. It's really cool. I bet there's some really unique people here. Wrangler's Reese? What is that? Huh. Ice cream floats? I can't believe they actually have food for sale here. There's no way they have permits for that. To be honest, it'd be kind of gross. But I'd probably eat it if I'm super hungry. It's a nice trailer, actually. How do they get these things out here? It's expensive to transport a huge trailer like that. Wow. Church of Enlightenment. Looks like a, I don't know what that is. Looks like something from Burning Man. That's awesome. I like how the narrative's all about love here. I love that. God and love and Jesus. That's cool. The world needs more of that. There's too many evil Satanists in the world, man. This spot is taken. Internet's Cafe. Let's go check out the Internet Cafe. I don't really feel like going in anywhere though because I have a lot of social anxiety. Unless I'm drunk, I can't talk to people sober. That's just how I am. So this is just going to be a quick tour. Oh yeah. Prius. They know what's up. Smart. Especially out here in the summertime. It would probably be way too hot to have no air conditioning. Which I'm sure people do, but... Got the Prius. Got air conditioning wherever you go. And heaters. Yep, someone's living in there. That's a nice ass RV, dude. Look at that. Wow. It's like brand new. That thing must cost $40,000. Creepy looking. A bunch of dolls. Weird statues. Donations appreciated. Dog food, batters, markers, paint, art supplies, coat, candy, soda. Look at that weird doll. It's freaking creepy. Unique. Some more weird dolls with a small, not the right proportions on it. Dang, look at that thing. That thing's huge. It's 2 stories. Got the American flag. Yeehaw! That's awesome. Looks like a fort you'd build when you're a kid. Good job on that one. There's the hostel down there. What if you have to pay to stay at this place? Because everything else is free. They waved. They were nice. So how does it work? Do you just pick a spot and then no one knows? No one can tell you no? There's no rules, right? No regulations? You do whatever you want? I don't know about that. I doubt it. I bet there is rules and regulations out here. Look at that little fort. That's so unique, man. Eco Village. I wish I had a better camera. This thing sucks. This thing's bigger than I thought. It goes for miles. What do they do with all the trash here? I don't see any trash cans or anything like that. I don't know. Whoa, I think I remember seeing that guy on YouTube. That's crazy. It's like a little celebrity. Some of these videos get tens or, millions of views. Some of these people are really famous. Kind of odd, It's weird when you see a guy on YouTube that has 10 million views. They're like, dude, this is crazy. I'm actually seeing you. It's odd. There's a bunch of libraries here. Closed. starting to get way more trashy over here. This is where all the trash is piled up. That's a huge ass house. It's like a compound, man. Huge RV, a little trailer, another huge RV. Damn, they're just building a compound out here. And he's got a fence around his. He ain't messing around, boys. No one's in that one. Well, I guess I'll just claim it, right? Occupado. I don't know, there might be someone in there, I don't know. Crazy though, man. Like, this is actually a nice spot because right here there's no trash, very open space. You're kind of away from everyone, so honestly I'm surprised more people don't come out here. I'm just surprised there's not more people actually. I'm surprised this place isn't just filled with thousands of people. There's only a couple hundred. You'd think this place would be tens of miles long with just tents and cars and RVs everywhere. There's just that one area that had it. This is just open space, man. Look at this. There's not much dirt. I mean, there's not much trash right here. It's pretty clean. And on this side, same thing. That's how I like it. I don't like being around people. I'm a loner, so if I would stay here, this is where I'd be, right here, by no one. Not saying I wouldn't talk to people. I just, when I'm in the mood or when I'm drinking some beer, yeah, I'd go down there and talk to people, but I kind of like to be away from the party, man. That's just how I am. Dude, this just keeps going. I've been filming for 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then turn it off, I see something cool again. All right, let's get out and see what's over this hill real quick. Just parked in the road. No one's coming down here, so I want to know what it looks like down here. It's kind of cool looking. The old wood sand dunes. Damn, this place just goes on for miles, man. There's plenty of space out here for people. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it would be thousands of people spread all over the place around here, but really it's just a small little area. Man, look at that. It is beautiful in a certain way out here, though. It's got a nice warm temperature right now, but it's not too warm. It's kind of deserty, humid right now. Man, if you had a dirt bike, that'd be kind of fun. There's all sorts of natural jumps you can jump. But I think there is a military base around here. Well, I know there is. This Slab City got the name from a used military base that they discarded. There's supposed to be planes flying over, but I don't hear anything. I'm guessing it's probably too late in the day. Damn, look at that. It's like an old canister. What is that from? Is it a military base weapon? It's kind of scary. I wonder if there's like bombs out here. Unexploded bombs. What is that thing? These things are all over the ground here. What are they? There's another one. Is this safe to do?
What are these? That has to be some kind of military, like, smoke grenade that they were testing out. Scary, man. Alright, let's go. I thought this building was pretty cool looking. You can't see it. Hold on. I thought this building was pretty cool looking for being in Slab City. Look at that. It's like... It's beautiful though. It's a beautiful building. Not a lot of actual buildings like that around here. Cool. Made it to Bombay Beach. So, wow, that actually has a lot more water than I thought. I thought like 70% was just dried up. I think it's huge. It's almost like an ocean. It's beautiful, man. I know you can't see it on the camera, but let's go get closer to it. All sorts of stuff around here. I'm gonna get out and actually explore this place. What is that? Meter? Metro? Bombay Beach Lemonade. Oh, that was freaky. Look at that. That looks so real. I thought it was an actual person. I'll go by the beach and see what there is to do around here. Let's go by the actual water. That's cool, a bar. Wait, this is the Ski Inn? I thought this used to be an actual bar. Maybe that's not the right one, I don't know. Shit, man. Fucking weird, dude. A door to nowhere. It's fucking cool, man. Oh shit. Just a mailbox to nowhere. And there's a door to nowhere. And then a swing. It's like, and then what is that? Some kind of fish statue? This is crazy looking. A sailboat out there. What does it say? The sea may sink tomorrow, the ocean will remain. I like that. Woo, it stinks out here. I wonder how deep this is. It's probably super shallow. That is some nasty water. Oh my gosh. I would not want to swim in that. Isn't this supposed to be like one of the saltiest places of actual water in the world? There's no fish in here, I don't think. Or anything, not even bacteria. I wonder if that guy in the RV owns that little property with the jet ski, canoes, a little party boat. Wait, hold on. I think there's fish. Oh, never mind. That's just the wave. It looks... It's bubbling up like it was an actual fish, but... Oh, it's a rock out there. Okay, that makes sense. You got some van lifers out here. It's a nice little Sprinter. Bunch of random statues everywhere. Just now noticed, look how many birds are on this lake right now. There's thousands of them. That is so crazy. Wow, man, that is cool. Look at the lake, the sun, the statue. I wonder what they eat. Oh, I'm gonna follow you guys over here. Whoa. Give me a little show. This is awesome. Look, an alligator. Looks like there will be alligators out here. Man. This will probably be a really pretty sunset. I just like seeing the birds fly. It's beautiful. I don't know what this is. An outhouse? That is so cool. It's even got little lights on it. Lantern. I wonder if it actually worked at one point. It's got the wires going on. I think it was an outhouse. I don't know. It's pretty small though. No toilet in there, no hole. It was just probably some artist just built it just to have fun. Well, that's mainly it right there. It goes on for miles, but you need like a dirt bike or something to go across that. It'll take forever. There's a plane over here. Let's go check that out. Man, I don't know if that's another person or a statue. These things are creeping me out. Let me zoom in. Okay, I think that's a statue. So creepy. I don't know what this is. Looks like they took a bunch of the clay and dirt, mixed it up and made it some kind of concrete with the driftwood. Put some pigeon statues on it. Ooh, a dinner table with the mailbox. Diva Station of the Sea. Interesting. Don't mind if I do. Oh, it's glued down. Got cigarettes in it anyways. Never mind. Oh, it's got a little swing set too. Awesome. There's so much little, or I like this place way better than Slab City. It's like the artwork's way better. It's actually put together by a professional artist, it seems like. And there's way more space. It's a little bit cleaner. And it's got the beautiful view of the lake. Slab City's definitely worth seeing, but you definitely come over here afterwards. Do not miss this place. Another beautiful sculpture. I don't know what this is. Whoa, that's so cool. It's like 28 dimensional. Bunch of mirrors. It's like one of those things you see at the festival. You go inside and you get confused because there's so many mirrors looking at you. You don't know which way to go. Damn, that's very geometrical. It's like you're on DMT or something. It even echoes when you get closer to it. Hello. Damn, that's badass right there. So far, that's my favorite piece of artwork I've seen. I just like geometrical shapes. Oh, dude, it's got lights in it too. Oh shit, I wonder if that actually, it's kind of sketchy. I wonder if that actually works. I'd be super surprised if that still works. Because where they're getting the energy source from. I don't see a solar panel on it anywhere, unless it's on top. Oh, it is, okay. Damn, it's got a bunch of them up there. They thought of everything on this too. I would love to see this at night light up. I'm probably gonna leave here at night, so I won't see it. Alright, let's keep going. Whoa, it actually works. Cool. The open house. Let's see if it's got some water. Nope. That's just decoration. I saw one more piece of artwork. Check that out before we go. I mean, before we drive around this area, see if we can find any more stuff. But I don't really see any more artwork around here. We'll go up to the actual town and see if we can see anything. It's got lights on it too. Awesome. Oh, it's a little floating raft. It looks like it actually floats. And it looks like anyone can just take it out. That'd be pretty cool. Go out there in the lake. That's cool. It actually says it's powered by thermal resources. Green land. Inflation Reduction Act? Is that for real? Wind powered. It's got solar panels, okay. That makes sense. For some reason I thought it said it was geothermal. Oh, wait. I think it might be. They might have dug a hole. Oh, I see, it actually is. There's some kind of radiator down there. I don't know if that actually works though. Berkshire Hathaway. Are they making fun of that company because they're like super really wealthy or something? I don't know. But what's it powering? Oh. What's the lights? What is it powering now? Oh, I see the lights up there. Huh. I think it's like a joke. Another art work. Art statue. What do you call that? I don't even know. I thought it was lit up already. See that green? But it's not. It's just the way the tape looks. Man, that is beautiful. The way the light shines through that. You can get up there. Check it out. Do not climb. Oh, shows his artwork. Chrome Sean Art. I'll check that out. If I remember. What do you look through at? Huh, look at all this. Weird. Huh. Thought it was actually gonna work. Nope. Oh shit, it's a magnet. That's fucking crazy. What is all this? Dude, an old squirt bottle? That is old. Remember squirt? They used to be the best drinks ever. You're supposed to view through this when it's sunlight or sunset. Makes it a different color. That's cool. What about this one? No, you can't see through that one. Just missing a few. Oh, some more up there. Oh wow. There's some wooden ones too. Does this turn? Oh, it does. Oh shit, the whole thing turns. Wow. Talented artist. Let's get down. I love this stuff. Love just seeing random artwork. It's thrown all over the place for people just to enjoy. It's amazing, man. It really is. Humans are pretty cool sometimes, you know? It's stuff we can do. The little horse that could. Acme Industrial Ice Machine. This machine was used to vacuum water from the sea to turn it into frozen blocks of ice for the native tribes to have for chilled drinks. Wow. Found welded assemblage. Sean Garrett Art. ChromeSean.com. So it's the same guy. So this was what it used to look like or something? This is just an artist's interpretation of how this machine used to work, I guess. For a second I thought this was actually a machine they used. There's no way. Yeah, this is artwork. Interesting. Beautiful sunset right now. Those mountains look incredible. We're in the Coachella Valley, where they have all those concerts. Can't believe this used to be an actual tourist destination. You can see the signs right there. Bombay Beach Estates. It used to be really nice, I heard. A lot of military people used to camp or vacation out here. There it is, up there. me get out and check it out. You got every size of TV you can think of. The old school ones, the flat screen ones. It's even got like a VCR player. Or, I don't know what that is, to be honest. That is awesome. It's really beautiful artwork too. I like the design of them. Venmo. Bombay Beach TVs. Guys, donate. It's worth it. Damn, that's a badass pick right there. Wow. That's super trippy. DMT art. Here it is, the Inn Bar and Grill. It actually is a business. I can't believe it. I did not think there would actually be a business out here. So, it's a nice little place to get some beer, some burgers. I'm not gonna try it today, but maybe if I come back here again, I will. Well, that's it. I'm gonna leave. That was fun. I highly recommend you guys come check this place out. It's actually a lot. There's so much to do here. So much artwork. So much random stuff. There's actually nature. The lake. The lake is absolutely beautiful, actually. Yeah, you know, come out here and check it out, guys. There's so much stuff to do. You really like it. You know, thanks for watching.